Hello everyone, I'm Janalene Hiller. Today, I'm going to walk you through what to expect and what to do as closing day approaches. This is an exciting time, so let's make sure you are fully prepared. First, let's break down the key steps you need to take as you get ready to close on your home sale. Step 1. Complete agreed upon repairs. Make sure any repairs that were agreed upon during the inspection negotiations are completed. Keep all receipts and documentation to provide to the buyer. Step 2. Final walkthrough. The buyer will conduct a final walkthrough usually 24 to 48 hours before closing to ensure the property is in the agreed upon condition and all repairs are completed. Make sure the home is clean and any personal items not included in the sale are removed. Step 3. Transfer utilities. Contact your utility providers to arrange for final readings and to transfer the accounts out of your name as of the closing date. Don't forget about electricity, water, gas, internet, and other services you use. Step 4. Prepare for moving. Start packing and organizing your move. Consider hiring professional movers if needed, and make sure you have a moving checklist to stay organized. Label your boxes and make plans for moving day to ensure everything goes smoothly. Step 5. Closing documents. A few days before closing, you'll receive a settlement statement outlining all the financial details of the transaction. Review this carefully and ask your realtor or attorney any questions you may have. Make sure to bring a valid ID or any necessary paperwork to the closing appointment. Step 6. Closing day. On the day of closing, you'll meet at the title company to sign the final documents. Once everything is signed and the funds are transferred, you'll hand over the keys to the new owner. Congratulations! You've successfully sold your home. Now it's time to celebrate your hard work and look forward to your next adventure. As closing day approaches, staying organized and informed is key to a smooth transactions. If you have any questions or need guidance, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time.